In today's video, I'll be showing you how to enable and disable add new apps to home screen on your Samsung Galaxy A14. First, when you go to add a new app on your home screen, say you want to add Pinterest, you'll notice that the option isn't there after you long press. So to change that, simply open Settings, and under Settings, look for the option Home Screen. Tap on that. Now to be able to add apps, make sure Lock Home Screen Layout is disabled, and then underneath, the option Add New Apps to Home Screen should appear. So to enable it, simply tap on that, and when you go back to your home screen and you'd like to add an app, say Discord, you should notice the option Add to Home Screen. Add to Home Screen. If you would like to disable it, you can simply either tap on Lock Home Screen Layout, or you can just go to Add New Apps and tap on it to disable it. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.